Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2013 EC paper. The question is two systems with impulse responses h1 of t and h2 of t are connected in cascade. Then the overall impulse response of this cascaded system is given by dash. So what they have given, we are having two systems with impulse response of h1 of t and h2 of t are connected in cascade. So that is assumed is input, this is output. What is the overall impulse response of the system? So these two systems are connected in cascade. If two systems are connected in cascade, the overall impulse response is convolution of individual response. So it is y of t, this is x of t, right? So it will become convolution. If it is parallel, it is addition. So what is the answer? The answer is option C. So it is cascaded. So it is a convolution of individual responses h1 of t and h2 of t. Suppose if they are connected in parallel h1 of t and h2 of t, then overall impulse response is equal to sum of impulse responses. That is additional info. Right? So the answer is option C. Thank you.